There's so many reasons that I love this headlamp from PEAX equipment, but some of the top reasons are when you turn this thing on, you've got a green light on the end. When it goes red, you've got 10%. When it flashes red, you got 2%. Having the ability to have those three settings that you can see allows you to know when you're going to lose battery or when you're at a spot where, oh man, I'm at 10%, I need to make sure that I only use low light, and it gives you enough to get back to your vehicle at night. So that's a huge thing for me. The other thing that's great about that is there's a USB-C charging port right there on the side, and when you plug that in, this will go red so you can verify that you're charging. That's a huge deal. Some of us have plugged in our phones or plugged in our turtle box or whatever it was, and if it doesn't show you that you're charging, you could have wasted 3 or 4 hours. And in the end, when you need it most, it's not charged. So when this thing goes red, you know it's charging, and then when it's finished, it goes green. On a full charge, this will get 55 to 60 hours on the lowest white light setting. On full high, it'll get 7 to 8 hours of full life. You can also cycle through. You got 3 color settings, you got 3 white settings. Whatever setting you stop on and you pause, when you click that off, it'll come right back to it, which is a big deal. You don't have to cycle through all of those white settings to get to that color setting so you don't spook game animals. Also, if I hold that down for 4 seconds, it'll flash twice. Now it's locked. Now it can't come on in your pocket or in your backpack. How many times you've been walking down the trail and the guy behind you says, hey, your light's on? I know it's happened to me. And then to get it off being locked, just hold it back down for 4 seconds. It'll flash twice, and now you can cycle through. On high white, this has 1,000 lumens. On our highest color setting, whether that's green or whether that's red, that's 400 lumens. It's the brightest color headlamp out there. So it's bright enough that whether you're on mules or horses, you can see the ground around you. And with that, either that red or that green, you're not going to spook the animal that you're riding. Also, it's light enough to be able to see 40, 50, 60 yards. So it's super clear if you need to do something with that color setting. Also, if you want to pull this off, you can set it down, use it in your tent, use it wherever, and you can just pop it back on. And it's whether you put it on right side up or upside down, depending on your left or right-handed or whatever, you can just articulate that down and you can get it to right where you're at. This uses a rechargeable lithium battery, which you don't have to pull out to charge, which is great. It's a big 3600 milliamp 18650, but you can also, in a pinch, use like a CR123. And you can pound it, you can put a couple of those in there and it'll actually work in a pinch. And a lot of times that's what your rangefinder runs off of. So if you have any questions, make sure to check out oneshotgear.com or give these guys a call and ask them questions. They're here to help. Thanks.